Welcome to Turbo App Tutorials. Today, we'll explore categories, a powerful tool for keeping your Turbo forms organized and accessible. By strategically grouping forms into relevant categories, you can significantly improve organization and access. Creating a new category. Locate the Category button situated in the top right corner of your form's interface. A drop-down menu will appear upon clicking the button. Choose the Create option to initiate the category creation process. A dedicated field will allow you to enter a name for your new category. This name should accurately reflect the type of forms it will encompass. Once you've entered a suitable name, click the Save button. A confirmation pop-up will appear, notifying you that your new category has been successfully created. Assigning forms to categories. Now that you have categories established, let's explore how to assign forms to them. Locate the Update option. Identify the specific form you intend to categorize. On the right-hand side of the form entry, locate the More option. In the drop-down, you will find the Update option. Click on this option to access the Form's Update dialog box. Within the Update dialog box, you'll find a tab labeled Category. Click on this tab to reveal the category assignment options. A drop-down menu will display existing categories. Choose the most fitting category for your form from this list. Alternatively, if a suitable category doesn't exist, you can create a new one directly by clicking the plus icon in the category menu. Save your updates. Once you've assigned the appropriate category to your form, click the Update button to save the changes you've made. A confirmation pop-up will appear to notify you of the successful update. Utilizing the Filter function. The filter icon within the category row empowers you to streamline your form management further. Clicking on this icon allows you to select the category and filter the forms based on their assigned categories. This functionality proves invaluable when working with extensive form collections. The next video will show how to leverage master data to optimize your form building experience. Thank you for watching.